Hi guys, welcome back to the Game of Trading channel. This is Barco. Want to be a successful beginner trader? Follow Game of Trading channel in YouTube. What are the ways of earnings in stock market? Before starting today's video, a quick note. Beginners face tough challenges in stock markets. This is completely dependent on profit as well as loss between emotions. Lack of knowledge, most importantly, beginners must implement strong money management rules. You always keep yourself positive intent, move towards to earn money in stock markets. First of all, let's get some knowledge on the ways of earnings in stock market. 1. Intraday trading. 2. Short-term and long-term earnings. 3. F&O. Let's have an initial look into intraday. Intraday means buying and selling the stocks on the same day. Many traders do this type of day trading in order to earn quick money. In intraday trading, the trader sets the targets to execute the transaction. The transaction executes once the stock hits that price. After understanding the trading, let us look at an example of the same. Example of intraday trading. Suppose a trader buys 100 shares of Tata Motors on 27 July 2020. The same trader then sells the shares of the company on the same before the closures of the markets. Here, the trader squares off his position in the same trading session. This is called as intraday trading. What is square off in trading? The investors, including in day trading, intraday trading, use square off of trading style. In this style of trading, the trader reverses the position taken by him earlier in the day. Square off trading position is for those traders who intend to earn intraday trading profits. Intraday trading meaning and delivery. Intraday trading is buying and selling the shares of the same day. The other hand, the delivery trading is purchasing the shares today and not selling them on the same day. In simple words, delivery trading is taking the position in stocks to the next trading sessions. Benefits of intraday trading. Brokerage commission, which I am currently using for trading, is Kite Zero. It charges 0.01% or rupees 20 per transaction, whichever is lower. Per executed order in intraday equity in intraday trading, it is very low. By following a disciplined approach, one can make high returns in intraday trading. Intraday trading prevents overnight risk. Intraday trader has dual opportunities to make profits on by purchasing and selling the stocks on the same day. Other is by short selling and covering the position later in the same day. Short selling is the another way of earning in intraday. Most of the beginners does not know what is short selling. I am going to cover this topic in my upcoming video very elaborative way. The intraday trader has the luxury of cash liquid right from the start of the trading session. This gives him the opportunity to take new positions in new stocks each day. He gets the advantage of free capital in hand to meet his daily personal needs. It's an obvious. Intraday trading is less risky because overnight bad events don't affect the profits of the intraday. Intraday trading provides lots of learning opportunities to the trader. The trader can learn new techniques and strategies while taking intraday positions. After looking at the benefits of intraday trading, let us understand few points that intraday traders must keep in mind before participating in intraday trading. Especially for beginners, I am explaining about these points to keep in mind for intraday traders. Try to find the trend of the stock. Here trend means bull and bear. Calculation or research the entry and exit price before entering into a transaction. Always place stop loss to limit the further potential loss on the trade. Trade in stocks that are liquid in nature. A stock with low volumes may not enough buyers or sellers for intraday trading. Always book profits on achieving the targets. In case you expect further positive movement in the stock price and want to wait, use a stop. That's the better way to exit. Avoid taking a position against the trend of the markets. Here again I am informing you guys, buy or sell, bull or bear. Research well knowledge about the company you plan to invest in. The above points suggest the benefits of intraday trading. Along with the pros, there are also some cons too. A trader should be very careful with this approach in day trading. He should be able to figure out the best skills and strategy that suits his trading style. As per the statistics, there are 90% of the intraday traders worldwide. To be successful in intraday trading, the individual should possess the following rules: commitment, discipline, and decision. The combination of these three helps you guys to making higher returns. Intraday trading involves a risk. A trader needs to be a brave heart. He must be ready to bear losses at any point in time. Game of trading is a solution for gaining stock market knowledge. Beginners can learn different aspects of intraday trading from my upcoming videos. I will guide the investors on how to take intraday positions on the basis of charts, swings, and fundamentals. I hope that you all like my video about intraday trading. My upcoming video is about short selling and delivery. Before wind up, kindly watch and subscribe and like. If you have any trading related queries, convey through comments. I will respond through your comments. Thank you. Stay safe.